Let's make this mouth-watering Chinese rice recipe that you too can also try. Do you know the rice is a staple in Chinese cuisine? And it's no surprise. Why? Because it can be paired with a wide variety of ingredients and cooked to perfection in so many ways. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bus, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Chinese rice ready. In order not to waste the time, let's go right into it. These are the ingredients you need to make your Chinese rice. That are raw eggs, our boiled meat and diced, our boiled diced meat, shrimps, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, our sweet corn, seasoning cube, ginger and garlic paste, grated pepper, grated onion, diced carrot and spring onion, then a little bit of cooking oil, and our Chinese rice. And also, just in case you don't know, Chinese rice doesn't take time to get cooked. So in the pot, you're just going to add a little bit of water or a normal water because we're going to save this. Allow it bring to a boil or heat up. Then go in with a little bit of salt, and then you pour your washed rice in it. Like I was saying earlier, Chinese rice takes just 20 to 25 minutes before it's ready. So I cooked this for just 17 minutes, between 15 to 17 minutes. It is not fully cooked. So, and by the way, I also sieved the water. Time for us to make our sauce. So in the pot, you just add your oil and then your diced meat, and then we're going to fry this. If we have already fried meat, that's good. So then we're just going to bring it out when it's ready. After that, we're just going to make our scrambled egg. So for my scrambled egg, I did not add salt because we're just going to add it back to our rice. So I did not add salt to my scrambled egg. It's just oil, and then I just poured the broken egg inside, mixed it together, and then fry it. Now our egg is ready. We're just going to bring it out and then set it aside. The next thing, we're going to stir fry our shrimps. So I'm just going to add my shrimps, a little bit of seasoning cube, and then we're just going to mix together. The moment your shrimps turns pink, it is ready. At this stage, our shrimps is ready, so we're just going to bring it out also. So we're just going to add a little bit of cooking oil again to our pot, and then mix it with sesame oil. Then after that, we're just going to add our shrimps and then allow it to saute for a bit. Then we're going to add our grated pepper. The next step is our diced and fried meats, a little bit of ginger and garlic paste, so just keep stirring until everything is fully combined together. So I'm just going to add a little bit of seasoning cube and a little bit of salt to taste. After that, our soy sauce. I prefer to add my soy sauce to my base, then add my rice to it. I'll always suggest you use a bigger pot or a wider wok when you are making Chinese rice, because you are going to do a lot of stirring, and if the rice is too much, your rice is going to pour and it is not going to combine fully. So we're just going to mix together until all ingredients are properly combined together. So by the way, I added extra rice and also extra soy sauce to it, so it's going to give me the color that I want. Now we're just going to add our shrimps, then also our scrambled egg and our vegetable, that's our carrot and spring onion. Then we're just going to mix together until it is combined together. This took a while, so after mixing together, the last thing I'm going to add is our sweet corn. And the reason why we're adding our sweet corn is our sweet corn doesn't take a lot of time to cook. So I added a little bit of water, as you can see, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam on a low heat. Low. And after that, I just left it for just between 3 to 5 minutes. Then I turned it together and then I served, and this is what we have. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do so. And also, if you want to learn how I made this my shrimp sauce, the video is up on my YouTube channel, so do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make easy and affordable food. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.